Do you want to know how you can create a class in Quizlet but don't know how to do so? Then you have come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a class in Quizlet. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. I'm going to show you how you can create a class in Quizlet. Go ahead and open Quizlet.com on your Chrome or Edge browser, log into your account and click on this Create button and you can see the class over here. Click on Class, go ahead and write down the class name and write down some description and write down your school name. After that, you can go ahead and click on Create Class. This way, your new class will be created. And now you can create a study set, you can add people, you can create folders, and you can edit the class name, notifications, report it, remove all members, and delete the class as well. You can even copy the invite link and send it to people and they can be members in your class. I hope this video about how you can create a class on Quizlet was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.